Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have HolyHigh ET3 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to factory default settings on them. Now we might want to do this for two basic reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds will not connect to your Bluetooth device, or they won't sync, or they're not pairing with your device, or if you're getting sound out of only the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues, and it's quite easy to do. The other reason is if you just want to get a fresh start and to have it forget all of its pairing history so that you can pair it with a new device, this will work as well, and it's quite easy. The first thing to do is just to go to whatever devices you've had it paired with in the past and have it forget the earbuds. Once you've done that, you can take the earbuds out of the case and go ahead and press and hold simultaneously on the back of both earbuds for 5 seconds. This will make these lights flash red and white, which means it's in the pairing mode. Once it's in the pairing mode, you're going to come in on the back and tap 3 times quickly simultaneously on both earbuds. 1, 2, 3. At which point it will flash a couple of times. They will actually turn off and it will make an audible beep. At that point, your earbuds have been reset. You can put them back in the case and close the case, open the case, take them out and repair them as a new device.